Hi everyone, so I just wanted to go over Seesaw with you and your math activities, okay? So here's your vocabulary, here's your list. This is where you can find your vocabulary words, okay, right here. All right, so that's your words for the day. We went over those this morning in Zoom. You also have your chart attached when you click add response. I did forget to attach the practice page. It's in your turn, so I will attach that when I'm done with this video. Okay, all right. So here is your number stories, your 2-4. You only have to do the first page of 2-4, which is on page 41. Okay, and you only have to do your home link. You do not have to do anything else. Just home link and 2-4 on page 41. Okay, and here is the natural beauty. This is where where I read the story to you guys. You can listen to it here. And then this is what we did in class, and you were in charge of finishing the last two details about why people wanted to visit the Grand Canyon. Okay, so the other two slides that you are in charge of doing today, here is the first one you're supposed to do. Your main idea, which is why people want to visit the Grand Canyon, and your supporting details, which is what are the reasons people go there for. Okay. And then write at least 3 questions you have about the natural beauty. So maybe you have questions about the Grand Canyon or what you can do when you're there. Okay, you can go back and look at the story. What is one connection? So maybe it reminds you of somewhere you've been, or maybe you've been there, or a visualization you had while you were reading. Or you can draw a picture of the Grand Canyon. Okay, that's your other one. Okay. And then again, if you haven't turned in your spelling test from Friday, your color-coded narrative, please get that done by tomorrow, okay? And then your all aboard check-in, ice cream shop. I'm really excited to see the rest of your ice cream shop projects. I'm very excited to see those. They look incredible. So please make sure you get those in as soon as you can. Here's your adjective assignment. Not everyone has turned that in yet either, so please make sure you get that in as soon as possible. All right, now I'm going to switch over and just show you a little bit about math really fast and remind you what we did in class today. Okay, so remember we talked about multi-step number story. So this has 2 steps to it. Okay, so we have to do 2 different things. So you have to read these really carefully. So this one talked about rice cakes. Okay, a package of rice cakes contains 6 rice cakes. So we drew the picture. So it says you need to use pictures, words, and numbers. Okay. So let's see here. And you buy 2 packages of rice cakes. Remember, there are 6 rice cakes in each package. So we drew that out right here. And then you're going to eat 4 rice cakes. So the first step you need to do is figure out how many rice cakes are total in both of these packages. And then what happens when you eat them. So here's step 1, and then here is step 2, and then here is your answer right here. Okay, now here you bought 5 packages of those same rice cakes, and remember there are 6 rice cakes in each package, so we drew that out here, and then you gave away 15 rice cakes. So here's step 1, and here's step 2. All right, and here's your try this that I wanted you to do for everyone in your class, and we have 21 students in our class. Everyone gets a rice cake. So how many packages would you need to make it fair for 21 people to have at least one? Okay, so count out 21 and then see how many are left. Okay, so that's where you would do step 2 down here. All right, your home link today. Oop, there we go. We went over this a little bit too. So draw pictures, so use words. Okay. You have 12 red balloons. I'm going to circle 12 red balloons, and you have 13 blue balloons. Then 5 balloons popped. How many balloons do you have left? So you need to figure out how many balloons you have in all, and then what do? Then you have to figure out how many you have left after they popped, okay? And don't forget your unit is balloons, okay? It's the thing. The next one, you have 3 bags of marbles with 6 marbles in each bag. So you need to, I would draw the bags of marbles, put the 6 marbles in each bag, and then you're going to find 8 more. So this one's different. We've been doing lots of subtraction. This time you're going to be able to add because you found 8 marbles to put inside, which is super cool. So make sure you add there. All right, and make sure you multiply to find your total. Like how many marbles did you have before you found those? Okay, and your unit here is your thing, and that is marbles this time. All right, everyone. Bye.